Click on the give confirmation. After that, the pop-up will be shown. So I hope until this step, all of you are getting. There is no stuck with these steps, right? All of you are getting until this step. So okay, once again I will repeat those steps. So when you connect your playground, it will be shown like this page. So you just click on that launch button. It will take you to that new tab, the Coral Cloud Resort workspace. Listen carefully. I'm repeating the steps. After clicking on the launch, it will take you to that Coral Cloud Resort workspace. So in this workspace or in this page, you can see on the top of your right corner, you can see that one setting icon will be there. There are so many icons. You can see that one setting icon will be there. Click on that one. And after that, click on setup. After coming to that Coral Cloud web workspace, you see one setting icon. You just click on that one and click on setup. It will be open in that new tab. The setup page will be open. So in that setup page, in the left side of your page, you can see that one search bar, quick find will be there. In that quick find, you will search for Einstein setup. Search it for the Einstein setup. You just click on that Einstein setup. The page will be open. So in that page, you just turn on that Einstein. Turn on Einstein. You turn on the toggle button of that turn on Einstein. You're already seeing in my screen, it will be turned on and other toggle buttons are off. So you just turn on the first row. And after turning on this toggle button, you just reload this page or refresh your page. So come back to that quick find search and search it for the Salesforce Go. And search it for the Salesforce Go. You just click on that one. After turning on that Einstein toggle button, you have to refresh your page and come to the quick find. Search for the Salesforce Go. Search for the Salesforce Go and then click on that one. So the Salesforce Go page will be open. You can see here, the page will be open. So in that page, on the right side of your page, on the top right side of your page, you can see one search bar as in search features. and that you search it for the agent force. In the search features tab, search for the agent force. So when you are searching, there are so many options will be shown. You just select the first one, the agent force default. After that, the agent for default page will be open. So before, for the first time opening, it is asking for so many things. I already done with these things. I will just orally tell you the steps. After opening that agent force page, in that page, you can see that one get started button. You just click on that get started button. After clicking on that get started button, you have to turn on that agent force. There is one toggle button in the turn on agent force column. There is one toggle button is there. You just click on that one. Have to turn on that one. When you clicking on that one, the confirmation page will be open. You just click on confirm. Don't change anything. You just click on that confirm. So now you are all understanding these steps, right? Until this step, all you are got it. Irfan, if you are not getting, you just go through with the code lab. The steps are steps of all this procedure be there. Agent force on. You just reload your page, then come to that quick find. So in the quick find, search for the users. In the quick find, search for that users, and then select the users. So in the users page, you can see so many users, full name and the username and the profile. So in that, you can see the third one, the instant service agent user. So we are using this username. So for that, we have to edit our profile. You just click on the edit button before that instant service agent user. You just click on edit on the third one. So the profile editing page will be open. So user editing page will be open. You just don't change anything else. You just come to that. Here, the one thing after the user license, you can see that profile, right? After role and a user license, you can see the one profile. So you just change it as an, you can see the profile is a custom Einstein agent user. You just change it as an Einstein agent user. So Einstein agent user. You change it a profile as Einstein agent user. And then you just click on save. The first thing, go to the quick find, and in that search it for the users. Then click on the users. The users page will be open. In that users page, the third one, Einstein Service Agent User, click on that edit button. So that user edit will be open. So in that, only go to that profile. After that user license, the profile will be there. Go to that profile, select as an Einstein agent user. Select as an Einstein agent user and then click on save. This is what updating our user profile. So until this step, all you are got it. There are two workspaces are here. We are working on that. So now we are working on Coral Cloud. So you just click on that builder after the Coral Cloud. Go to the quick find, search it for the all sites. When you click on that all sites, the page will be open. In that, there is two workspaces are there, and the Coral Cloud workspace. Click on that builder. After clicking on that builder, it will take you to that Coral Cloud sites. If any pop-up will become, you just click on OK. So it will take you to that Coral Cloud sites. So, so you can see here on this side, on the top of your right corner, you can see that publish button will be there. On the top of your right corner, the publish button will be there. You just click on publish, and then in the confirmation page also, you just click on publish. After that, it is asking for that we are sending the mail to our mail ID for successfully completed for publishing the site. You just click on got it. After searching for the all sites, there is two workspaces are there. You have to work on Coral Cloud workspace. So click on the builder and the Coral Cloud workspace. It will open for that Coral Cloud sites, and then you just on the top of your right corner, you can see the one publish button will be there. You just click on that publish, and in the confirmation page also, don't change anything. You just click on the publish and then got it. So after that, you can see here one experience builder menu icon will be there. On the left side, before home, one icon will be there. This icon will be called as an experience builder menu. You just click on that one and select for the Salesforce setup. After publishing your site, you go to that builder menu, click on that one, and click on select for the Salesforce setup. I hope Oliver got until this step. Next, the next button will be seen in the top of your right corner. Don't come and say I didn't see the next button. On the right corner, you can see that next button. You just click on that one. After that, you can see in the left side, there are some steps is there here, right? The four steps is here. So we are completing the select an agent. So the next step will be the select your topics. Here you can see so many topics will be there, but we have to remove all these topics because these topics are already added to your agent, but we don't need these topics. So we just remove these topics. Later we just add the topics. First you have to remove the topics. You just click on that added button, so they will remove. For every topic you have to remove. Confirm once again. You are removing all the topics. You just remove all these topics. So after that, click on next. Here, we have to customize our agent. For the name and the API name and all these details, in the code lab, they are already given. In the create the agent topic, you can see after the seventh step, you are seeing that name and the API name. You just copy this name and paste it there. And for the agent API name also, you just copy API name and then paste it here. And in the eighth step, they are giving the description, role, and the company. The same thing, you just copy and the paste there. I'm telling why we are doing this one. Wait a second. You just copy and paste first. After pasting all the details, you can see one agent user. We have to select one agent user. Here it is a new agent user will be there. You just erase that one and then select for the instant service agent user. Select the new agent user. So erase that new agent user and then select for the instant service agent user. And after that, check on this box. You select this box and then click on next. After filling all those details, click on next. It will be asking for the select data sources. This is an optional. You just don't bother about this step. You just click on create. So I hope all your create your agent. All you got it right. Or anyone stuck any step in the any steps? Bindu have to copy from your code lab. Okay. Once again, I will repeat all those steps. Wait a second. I will repeat all those steps. So first thing in the Agentforce agents, you click on that new agent button. You click on new agent button, and after that we are selecting an agent. You have to select that Agentforce service agent. Select Agentforce service agent. The pink icon box we have to select and then click on next. So after that, you have to remove all these topics. You have to remove all these topics. For removing these, you just click on that added button. So it will remove. So you just remove all these buttons and then click on next. So after that, I think so many of them are confusing here. We are in the starting of the launch, the launching the playground, we are seeing that code lab, right? This is your code lab. We are starting launch the playground from here only. So you just scroll down. There are so many steps. So many of them asking for where the code lab. This is your code lab. So where you launch your playground, that one is the your playground. You just scroll down until the steps will be coming. The topic of create the agent topic. So in that topic, you can see that And after the seventh step, you can see that name and the API name. In the create agent topic, you can see that, and after in the seventh step, you can see that name and the API name. You just copy the name and paste it in the name column. And for the API name, you just paste it in the API name column. And after that, in the eighth step, they are giving the description and role and the company. You just copy and paste it in that same detailed columns. So after that, So after filling all these things, name, API name, description, role, and a company, after that, you can see here, after the agent user column will be there. You just erase the new agent user and select for that Einstein service agent user. Select it for the Einstein service agent user. If anyone not seeing this option, you just erase that new agent user and type it as an Einstein service agent user. You just type that one. Einstein service agent, you just type it. And after that, you select this box and then click on next. And the page will be open as a select data sources. You just ignore that one and click on create. I'm not clicking on because it will show error. I already used that name and the API name. I already used this API name for creating an agent. So it will not create another agent on the same API name. So I am showing already. So I am telling orally for the step. After clicking on the next, the page, the select data sources page will be open. This is an optional page. You just ignore that page and click on create. After clicking on the create, you can see the page as it is. So I hope until these steps, you are all got it. And one thing I have to told, so don't activate because I didn't go to that step. You just don't activate. The next step will be not the activating step. So don't activate. Just stop it here. Otherwise, you just go to the code lab and see the next what the next step is, and then continue. Kiran, I didn't know where you are stuck in. Madhu, that's why I'm told him first listen carefully. Don't do hurry burry. First listen carefully. After that, do. And one thing, I am stopping here only, right?